welcome back. Oh my goodness, it's been such a long time that I've been on here. Anyway, today is about taking you guys to a new thing that I've just started out, which is my allotment. So I'm going to take you guys along with me to the allotment site. I got the allotment sometime around the spring, but because school work has been so busy, I haven't had the time to go over there and do much. I tried to do the weeds and stuff, but I haven't actually done much. So this summer, as well as looking after the children, I'm going to be spending a lot of time at the allotment, and I want to try and fill up the summer with lots of experiences, and I hope I can take you guys along with me. So let's go have a look. But look at how tall. There's a special technique to opening this gate. I don't even know if I know how to do it now. Oh my goodness, I haven't been here in weeks. Oh my god. You see why I told you that you cannot do it? Right. Okay, I got it now. I think you're going to...
Should I stop the video?
Not yet. You're going to wait here for me to drive in.
Okay.
But don't video me driving in, because you'll drive my...
Yeah.
Or if you can find a way to do it without catching my plate number.
Yeah. Should I keep going inside? I should wait. Okay. Okay.
Because well, this is not my...
Okay.
Wait, let me go there. This is the part of the farm, the garden, that I hate the most. Getting in, because I have to open the gates, let myself in, and then lock the gates again before I go to the garden. It's an allotment, and I hate that job. Right, let's go. Come here. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Look at this. This is... Welcome to Ely the Great Farm, by the way. I don't know, I'm here for the surprises because I haven't been here for nearly 6 weeks, and I'm seeing so many blooms already. I'm excited. Let's go. Guys, this is my allotment. Welcome to plots. I don't even know my plot number. It's how serious I am. It's covered in wild plants, and I don't know where to start from now, because I did try a lot to do a lot around the spring, but I was just tired. I was completely tired, and there was so much work coming from school as well, so I just left it. I thought, okay, I'll leave it and I'll come back in the summer. I don't know whether that was a good idea, because now the whole thing is covered in... I don't even know where to start from. But there's the part that I managed to cover. You can see the part that I've covered is doing all right. Like this, there's nothing growing on the part that I covered. So I'm going to try and cover another part. Yeah, I'll cover another part and then start to work on the parts that have cleared out. Yeah. You're going to take somebody's fruits. You can go ahead. I don't know what that is. So for the benefit of those who don't know what an allotment is a farm. It's a community farm that is actually owned by the local authority, like your local government. Yeah. So they have this big plot of land, or big massive plots of land, which they allocate to different citizens or individuals, people who reside in those local authorities, and then those people can maintain the plots,
plant there, use it, and pay like a little thing once every year, you know, but use it, because you can't just take a plot and leave it lying fallow there. You have to use it, you have to plant stuff, you have to maintain it, you have to take care of it. Yeah. So it's like almost free. Basically, it's almost free, because what you pay is so little, it's almost insignificant, but it's a really good way to help those who want to get their hands, you know, going, get their green fingers going, you know, like us. So yeah, this is my plot. I have one now, and I'm gonna be taking you guys on this journey with me.
That's a beautiful view, looking up on the mountain there. And this is my plot. I don't even know my plot number. What a shame. All right. Beautiful roses next door, and a lovely vegetable garden here. This is the where we get water from. The one that is closest to me is this one, and it's from the local authority. The water just fills up each time, and we just come and collect. Yeah, and that's just the wild bush. Beautiful, isn't it? Look, people have planted beans and everything. You see beans up there? Can you see the beans? With the orange flowers on the end there. Like not on the end, but there. An apple tree. And so look, all the places that I cleared out and put stuff, it's so wild now. It's so wild, taken over by wild plants. So I just keep on coming back and trying to cover it up, because I see that the part that I covered, there's nothing growing on it, which is giving me hope. So I'm just going to cut things down, go and get more of this to cover up more parts. That's all I can do. Yeah, really, that's all I can do. So I won't be doing much today, because as you can see, this place is covered in wild plants. There's stinging nettle, there's thistle, there's everything whatnot here, which is not a bad idea. I love the wild plants, but I'm also happy that I came here around the spring, because at least I managed to cover some of the floor, some of it with weed control, and the part that I covered has managed to keep the weeds out. So that's not a bad thing, you know, because otherwise it would have been the whole thing would have been wild, and I wouldn't have been able to get in at all. So now at least I can get in, and there are a few things that make me, you know, I'm feeling joyful, like the apples and the berries, and a few things that I'm going to like keep. And I'm happy that I came at this time, because I can see where the sun hits at this time of the day. Also, I'm just gonna pick up some of those allium heads for decoration. Yeah, it's all right. I'm just gonna pick some of those for decoration, because they've dried out nicely, and I'm going to put them in the back garden at home. Yeah, okay. So it's so difficult to get them up without damaging them. They're very beautiful. You just put them like a little bouquet. There you are. See, dried plants bouquet. Okay, so at least we've done today's one. Yeah, I like these as well. They make little nice I like them. Just collect a lot of them and put them in the backyard. But I'm worried that I may bring wild stuff. This may start to disperse everywhere and grow everywhere. No, what happens in the allotment stays in the allotment. That's not coming home with me. Okay, let's go, girl. Let's go. Right, guys, I'm afraid I have to end it here, because there isn't much to do today. Tomorrow we'll come back, and I can start to clear out and put some more weed control, because I'm really happy with the weed control work. Yes, I'll bring some weights to put the weight control down, and then that will be the job for tomorrow, and start to take down some of these other areas. Yeah. Okay.